So this is everything you're going to need. The full recipe will be listed down in the description bar. This is the TikTok pasta that has been all over the internet. So first things first, you're going to add your tomatoes to your pan, and then you're going to add in your vegan feta cheese. And then I'm seasoning mine with Obey because that's my business, you know. Then I drizzled over some avocado oil. Use what you got. Then I added in my cauliflower alfredo to up the ante. I baked this in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes at 400 degrees. And I'm going to add in about 4 cups of spinach and mix until well combined. And due to the fact that it's already hot, it's literally going to cook the spinach down. Then, it's going to get all creamy like this. You want to mix very well. Then I'm going to season it with some oregano, and we're going to add in some parsley. And then we're going to add in my cooked whole wheat pasta, and you're just going to mix this until all of the pasta is coated with the sauce. And this is literally how you make your vegan feta tomato pasta situation.